Today I would like to reading about construction service. Before we started, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Iputu Perian Sanjaya and I am from CV Sanjaya's project. Our project is focused about private villas and commercial building and private house. Our CV is built since 2010 and we trusted to design and processing manufacture buildings and don't worry about the fee of design. So here we are take a cheap price but take a conservative. The design concept based and from client needed or project already finished commercial or non-commercial building. CV Sanjaya is working on bill of quantity calculation, shop drawing and design 3D. In carrying out this work, our CV has a professional workers. They are a site manager. Site manager in this field is a team leader. Site manager at this work has a minimum of S1 civil engineering, 10 years and has a SKA expert on the road implementation. The job of site manager is a job as follow: coordinate and supervise the internal contractor team and for work either in field work and analytic work or office, provide guidance and direction to team members in accordance with the division and tasks according with its skill. Number 3 is quality control. The quality control is used for this CV is S1 civil engineering, minimum 5 years and have a quality control certificate. Quality control is responsible for coordinate and supervise the work to conform the established standards, monitoring work that being done, either speed or work safety in order of avoid errors and or work incident. The response of city manager and how to implement in the field. Number 3 is quality. The quality used for S1 civil engineering, minimum 8 years and have a SKA expert. Job of quality is responsible the site manager, represent the work, plan with the current state and the field, especially for the condition of the land, where the implementation of the work, examine where the work plan and implement can be candidate for the theory. Number 4 is drafter. The draftsman use this work minimum the 3 civil engineering and minimum have a 5 years and has a SKTK draftman and draft civil. The tasks of the drafters are responsible to site manager about the picture of the work plan to be done. Create the drawing work plan that will be done in the according with field condition. Number 5 is administration. It's meant to assist the site manager in managing project administration related field level reports in all aspects of the accuracy. Perform administrative office tasks such as shipping, incoming and outgoing mail associated with the implementation project. Document all activities into the photo album of activity are reported to site manager.
CV Sanjaya project also working on bill of quantity calculation, shop drawing, and design 3D. Is document prepared by the cost consultant that provides project-specific measure quantity of the items of work identified by drawings and the specification. The quantity may be measured in number, length, area, volume, weight, or time. Preparing a bill of quantity requires that design is complete and specification has been prepared. Bill of quantity calculation that we calculated is expected to achieve the goal that we specified as much as possible. We reduce the cost of development to be economic but remain safe. Shop drawing is a drawing or set drawing produced by the contractor, supplier, manufacturer, subcontractor or fabricator. Shop drawings are typically required for pre-state components. For the example of this include elevators, structural steel, trusses, precast concrete, windows, appliance, cabinet, air handling units, and millwork. Also critical are the installation and coordinating shop drawings of MEP trades such as metal, ductwork, piping, plumbing, fire protection, and electrical. Shop drawings are produced by contractors and suppliers under their contract with the owner. The shop drawing is the manufacturer of the contractor drawings version in information on the construction document. The shop drawing is normally show more detail than construction document. It's down to explain fabrication and installation of the manufacturer's production, correct condition, installation crews. The styles of the drawing is usually very different from the architect drawing. So the last thing is about our design. We working at based on client desire and necessary appropriate in Indonesian climate.